Hello, tutorial number 5. In this tutorial I'm going to use more about the sketch tools and the extrude tools, so I will cover more features. So now let's choose the plane, create some feature. As we see here, we have the sketch tools. I'm going to use a rectangle and draw it, and here we have the fillet. To add a fillet, just we press on that and then choose the corner where I need to apply the fillet, and here I can change the radius of the fillet. Choose again this one and this one and then press OK. I'm going to add some dimension here in order to define the sketch, and again here. So now I'm going to draw another rectangle normal to in the middle of this rectangle. I'm going to choose the chamfer property. So let's first draw a rectangle and then choose the chamfer and choose edges where to apply, so press OK. So now I'm going to activate the feature and the extrude, and here we see SolidWorks extruded this sketch. Exactly as we selected the contour. So I'm going to change here, then OK. Also I'm going to review some tools in Sketch. I'm going to make another sketch, front view, normal to. So let's choose the line. So I'm going to show how to use the line because there are some feature in the line tool. So let's choose place to start. So now we draw a line and we see the guided dotted lines while we are drawing the line. If we return back, we will see the circle dot. That means we are able to draw a circle. So now we draw the circle. So again, continue drawing the line. Again, get back, we have a circle shapes, then that means we are able to draw a circle, and then here I can close this sketch as we see the shape near the dot. OK, and now I can press OK, then feature extrude cut. So I am going to extrude cut this shape through all. OK, so now I have this shape isometric front. So in this tutorial we reviewed some of the sketch features and how to use the line and the fillet and the chamfer. So in the next tutorial I'm going to continue talking about the features. So see you in the next